Welcome to the IB Diploma Program Open House right here at Quantum. We're delighted to have you with us today. Step into the world of the IB Diploma Program, where we nurture global citizens, critical thinkers, and the leaders of tomorrow. Explore 24 subject booths, each showcasing the depth and breadth of academic excellence that defines the IBDP experience. Discover hands-on learning at its best, with live presentations and creative exhibits brought to life by our talented and passionate students. Be inspired by alumni stories. Real journeys from the IB Diploma to world-class universities and beyond. Learn about the core elements that set the IBDP apart: GIIS, the extended essay, and theory of knowledge. These pillars shape students into thinkers, doers, and changemakers. Have questions? Join our interactive Q&A sessions and speak directly with faculty, coordinators, and current students about life in the IBDP. Thank you for being part of our open house. Discover your future right here with the IB Diploma Program at Quantum. Want to learn more? Reach out today. Admissions are now open.